I want to show you how little we've got here. I'm going to make a mess when I do this, but you can see how little. You can see the strainer there, you can see the screen below that. On a lot of other juicers, there will be a ton of foam. It would fill this entire screen strainer up with foam. That's another thing that I love about the J2 juicer, is that it just does a fantastic job with pretty much everything, all right? Now, if you try and run 7 or 8 pineapples through at once, there's a chance you're gonna clog up the pulp outlet chute on this juicer. The beauty of it is on the Nama J2, the design feature that they have on the pulp outlet chute, that you can open this up and clean it out. So you can get right in there and clean out that part that might be clogging it up. So you just pull that out. You can even take it apart and clean it out, but you can open that up super quickly and have it ready to go and be back in action in no time flat. So the Nama design engineers have done an incredible job designing a piece of equipment that is meant to last through their warranty period, which is 15 years. And I'm quite confident that this juicer will go beyond that. I have literally used this juicer every day since 2021 when it came out. I'm certain that I've probably used it more than most anyone out there. I'm sure there's some other people that have juiced on it more than I have. But I feel like the litmus test is I have absolutely had 0 issues with this juicer. I've dropped parts on a tile floor and they've not broken. I've dropped it and just been certain when I heard it hit the tile, oh my gosh, I'm sure I cracked it. I'm sure I broke something. And I'll pick it up and it'll inspect it and it'll be completely fine. They have done such a good job at making a quality machine with high quality, durable parts. Just an all-around great machine. All right, let's see what this juice is all about. Pineapple, apple, ginger, turmeric. Look at this amazing anti-inflammatory juice. We're gonna give it a taste. This is one of my favorite. I know what it tastes like. It lights up my taste buds every time I drink it. I'm already salivating. I can smell this juice and it's absolutely amazing. I am in love with this juice. Oh, it gets better every time. Absolutely amazing. I cannot get enough of this juice.